Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to explore how to set up a VPN connection using the OpenVPN app for Android, along with a custom UDP service. This method can provide a secure and fast way to enhance your online privacy and security. Step 1. Installing the OpenVPN app. Head over to the Google Play Store on your Android device. Search for OpenVPN for Android and install the app. Step 2. Accessing the custom UDP service. Open your web browser, like Chrome or Safari. Search for UDP Custom and click on the official UDP Custom website. Make sure the website looks legitimate and trustworthy. Step 3. Creating your OpenVPN server. 1. Find the OpenVPN server. On the UDP Custom website, navigate to SSH servers and then OpenVPN server. 2. Select a location. Choose a server location that suits your needs. 3. Create an account. Create an OpenVPN account on the website by providing a username and password. 4. Download and extract configurations. Download the OpenVPN configuration files. You might get options for TCP, UDP, or SSL connections. Download the file that best suits your needs. You might need to extract the files from a zip folder if necessary. Step 4. Connecting with OpenVPN. 1. Launch the app. Open the OpenVPN app. 2. Import the configuration. Tap the plus icon to import a new configuration file. Select the OpenVPN configuration file you downloaded, TCP, UDP, or SSL. 3. Edit server settings. Tap on the newly imported configuration file. In the settings, set the proxy type to SOCKS5. You may need to obtain the SOCKS5 server details from the UDP custom website. Four. Enter the password. Go to the basic settings within the OpenVPN app and enter the password you created for your OpenVPN account. 5. Connect. Tap on the imported configuration file to connect. Your OpenVPN connection will now be established. Join our community. Don't forget to join us on our Telegram and WhatsApp channels for ongoing support and insights. You'll find the links in the description below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon to get notifications for more great content. Stay secure and happy browsing.